In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your phone to your gaming headset. Whether you're using a wired headset, a wireless Bluetooth headset, or a gaming headset with a USB dongle, we've got you covered. Let's begin by taking a look at your Bluetooth gaming headset. So start by turning on your headset. Most gaming headsets have a dedicated power button that you need to hold for a few seconds. If you figured that, I need you to power that on and place the headset into pairing mode, and this is usually done by holding the power button until the indicator light starts flashing. Next, you need to open the settings app on your phone and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and wait for your headset to appear in the list of available devices. Once you see the headset name, tap it to begin pairing. After a few seconds, the connection should be successful and you will see the headset listed as connected. And of course, you need to connect a wired gaming headset. If you are using a wired gaming headset, the process is even simpler. Check the connector on your headset. If it uses a standard 3.5mm audio jack on your phone, it has a headphone port. I need you to plug it in. For phones without a headphone jack, you'll need a compatible USB-C or Lightning audio adapter depending on your device, and connect the adapter to your phone. Then plug your gaming headset into the adapter. Your phone should automatically detect the headset and route audio through it, and then you need to connect a wireless USB dongle or your headset. Now, some gaming headsets use a wireless USB receiver instead of Bluetooth. For Android phones with USB-C ports, you'll need a USB OTG adapter if your headset receiver isn't USB-C. And then you need to connect the wireless receiver to your phone using the appropriate adapter. Then turn on your headset. Many modern Android devices will automatically recognize the receiver and begin sending audio to the headset. Keep in mind that compatibility can vary depending on the phone model and headset manufacturer. And then, after that, you need to adjust the audio settings. Once your headset is connected, you may want to customize the audio settings once your phone sound settings and adjust the volume levels. If your headset includes a microphone, test it by making a call or recording a voice memo. Some gaming headsets also have a companion apps that allows you to customize EQ settings, microphone sensitivity, and surround sound features. Now, for troubleshooting steps, especially if your headset isn't connecting, try these quick fixes. Make sure the headset is fully charged, turn Bluetooth off and back on, and restart your phone and headset. You can also try to remove the headset from your phone's paired devices list and pair it again. And remember to check any firmware updates for both your phone and headset and verify that your headset supports mobile device connections. And after that, you need to test the audio. Play a video or a song or a game to test the headset audio. You can also use the microphone test features to confirm that your microphone is working properly. Whether you're using a Bluetooth, a wired connection, or a wireless receiver, the setup only takes a few minutes. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect a phone to your gaming headset. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.